If you want Opera to ask you where to save each file before it starts downloading, you're in the right place. This is a really useful setting if you like keeping your downloads organized, saving files to a specific folder, or choosing a different location every time. Instead of letting every file go to the default downloads folder automatically, Opera can prompt you each time so you stay in control. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn that on in just a few clicks. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple browser tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Opera on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the Easy Setup icon. It looks like 3 horizontal sliders, and that's where Opera keeps a lot of its quick settings. Click that icon to open the Easy Setup panel. Once the panel opens, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says Go to Full Browser Settings. Click that to open Opera's complete settings menu. This is where you'll find the more detailed options, including download preferences. After the full settings page loads, scroll down until you reach the download section. Opera groups the download controls here, so keep scrolling carefully until you see the setting related to file saving. Now look for the toggle switch next to Ask where to save each file before downloading. Turn that switch on. Once it's enabled, Opera will stop sending every download to the same default location and will instead ask you where you want to save each file before the download begins. That means you can choose a folder, rename the file if needed, and keep better control over your downloads from now on. If you ever want to turn this off later, you can come back to the same download section and switch it back off. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference if you download a lot of files and want a cleaner workflow. So to quickly recap, click the Easy Setup icon, go to Full Browser Settings, open the Download section, and enable Ask where to save each file before downloading. That's it. The setting is now turned on in Opera. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more browser guides, productivity tips, and easy how-to tutorials.